Hi, welcome. I'm Monty McKinnon. I'm glad you're here today. Somebody sent me a comment to one of the previous videos, and it had to do with the plastic template that I used to make this. This is the sound port, and I'm not happy with it. It is not perfect. It got messed up in here because where I wanted the router blade going in this way, it actually came in this way because of the way this template was sitting on the guitar. And what I really wanted was for it to be bent. I have no idea what's going to happen, but I'm about to change things in just a moment. So we're going to spin that intro, and when we get back, let's experiment and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I start again. We'll be right back. Tail end, I'll put that, no, that's going in that way. So, let's see what happens here. Okay, that doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. Right off the bat, this doesn't fit. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to start again. All right. This is going to fit. Now, I have no idea how hot this needs to be. I don't know at what temperature it will bend. I don't even know if it will bend. We might just get a snap. So let's find out. Okay, our temperature is 75.4. And here we go. Oh yeah, you can feel that heating up already. Well, I hope you're having a good day. Some days are better than others. Okay, that's already at 80 degrees. 84, 86. Do you think it has to go more than 100? I have no clue. Just short of 300. Well, there you have it. We tried something, and I don't think it worked very well. So why don't I turn off everything, undo this, open it up, and we'll have a look and see what we got. Well, there's the piece that we heard break. Here's what's left. It's a lesson learned. That's what this is all about. You know, not every day works. It's like playing golf. It's not how well you hit the ball. It's how well you recover from the sidelines and the rough and the sand traps and the water and all of those things that are out there and the weeds that are meant to capture your ball and make life a little more difficult for you. Building a guitar, making jigs, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. At any rate, I want to thank you for joining me. Please do subscribe and hit that like button if you like this disastrous video, and I'll see you in the next video. And as for me, my English breakfast tea, and I'm out of here. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do? Thanks again for being here. Bye now.